friends and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Rishabh Rajesh, and in this video we're going to compare the Hyundai Aura with the Maruti Suzuki Dzire. So both of them are quite heavy in the sub 4 meter sedan competition. So the Maruti Suzuki Dzire has got a strong hold in this segment, whereas the Aura is the newcomer. So we're going to see which one is the better contender out here, and we'll see that in terms of pricing, in terms of features, in terms of ergonomics, and in terms of practicality, which one is the ultimate winner. Let's start. First of all, we'll be talking about the styling of both the cars. So the Aura is based on the sensuous and sportiness design philosophy of Hyundai Motors India, which means it has a sleek, sporty and eye-appealing design, which means from the front it has a wide grille with aggressive black inserts with double boomerang shaped LED DRLs. The headlamps are also nicely placed, have a good light throw, and overall from the front it has an appealing look. From the side it has 14-inch alloy wheels, which is diamond cut alloy wheels, which look awesome because all Hyundai cars now have this nice trait of bringing good alloy wheels in their cars. Let me tell you, talking about the Dzire has kind of a very sophisticated look, means it doesn't have a very it doesn't have a busy look into it. It has a simple look yet a very sophisticated look. Let me tell you, it has simple design with normal headlamps, a simple wide front grille, and the DRLs are there in the lights itself. From the side we have 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. From the rear the Aura has Z-shaped LED tail lamps, whereas the Swift Dzire has simple tail lamps, but they are LED as well. From the interior, the Aura has a 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is a freestanding touchscreen, not like the Nexon, but it is connected to the instrument cluster. Let me tell you, the Dzire has an embedded touchscreen into it, which looks nice, but now I feel that it looks a little outdated. But let me tell you that now the Dzire facelift has come, so it gets 2 slats in the front grille as well. I forgot to tell you that. Let me tell you, space is nice. Now talking about the dimensions of both the cars, so I'll be telling you the dimensions. Yeah, so the Aura's length is 3995 millimeters, and Dzire also has the same length. In the terms of width, the Aura has 1680 millimeters of width and the Dzire has 1735 millimeters of width. Height of the Aura is 1520 millimeters, and for the Dzire it is 1515 millimeters. The ground clearance of the Aura is 165 millimeters and the ground clearance of the Dzire is 170 millimeters. The wheelbase of both the cars are same, which is 2450 millimeters. The boot capacity of the Aura is 402 liters and for the Dzire it is 378 liters. So first let's talk about the engine options. So in petrol, the Aura offers 2 engines, so 1.2 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine and a 1 liter turbocharged petrol engine, whereas the Dzire in petrol offers only 1 engine, which is the 1.2 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine. The power of the both the engines of the Aura is 83 bhp and 100 bhp respectively, whereas for the Dzire it is 83 bhp. The torque of the Aura, the 2 engines is 114 Nm and 172 Nm, whereas for the Dzire it is 113 Nm. And the transmission for the 2 engines in the Aura is 5-speed manual, 5-speed AMT and a 5-speed manual plus automatic, whereas in the Dzire there is a 5-speed manual and a 5-speed AMT. Talking about the diesel option, there is only a 1.2 liter turbocharged diesel engine, whereas in the Dzire we have a 1.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine. The power of the Aura diesel is 75 bhp and for the Dzire it is again 75 bhp. Torque of both of them is exactly the same, which is 190 Nm. Transmission for the Aura is 5-speed manual and a 5-speed automatic or AMT, and same is for the Dzire as well. Now when we talk about the prices, the Aura starts at 6.10 lakhs to 10.2 lakhs. This is the ex-showroom price, and for the Dzire it is 5.82 lakhs to 9.53 lakhs. Now when we see that in the overall comfort and in the overall ergonomics of the car, which is the better one, I will say that in terms of boot space, in terms of practicality, in terms of features, in terms of design, the Aura is a clear winner out here. But now let me tell you, as I told you, the Swift Desire, the Desire, has sold more than 2 million units in this full lifespan. Thus the Aura is the newcomer and has not sold much. It's not a very successful car until now, but I am sure that in the following few months it will also be a great success. So that was it from my side. If you like this video, do give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon to stay notified for latest updates. Thank you for watching. This is Rishabh Rajesh signing off.